It is the fastest phone on the market with Snapdragon 855 Plus, which means it performs 50% better than all the flagship phones on the market. Whoa, there's a lot going on right here. Whether you call this the ASUS ROG or ROG, it's actually ROG. That's how they say it internally, the ROG phone. And this is the ASUS ROG 2, the second rendition. This has been on the market for a while, but maybe you've been researching the phone, you want to know a little bit more about it. Here's what I've learned here at IFA. It is the fastest phone on the market with Snapdragon 855 Plus, which means it performs 50% better than most of the phones, actually all the flagship phones on the market. This won't be for long, but it is right now. It's also got the biggest battery, 6,000 milliamperes. 6,000. If you get the twin view dock here, that's an additional 5,000 milliamperes. So that's a lot of gameplay time for you right there. Some other notable features include highest refresh rate on the market, 120 hertz. It's also got bigger speakers on the side for immersive audio, DTS:X Ultra. And this time they've added 2 more microphones. So most phones have 2 microphones. This one has 4. Whether you hold the phone vertical or horizontal, you're able to capture the best audio, which is very important for gamers. And it's also got 4 antennas, so whether you're on Wi-Fi or on data, you're bound to expect less latency. And in order to preserve the battery life, the battery has to stay cool, and the device has to stay cool, also for your comfort too. It comes with what I call a fan. I just call it a fan, okay? It's a detachable fan that you can put on the back of the device. They've also added this feature right here. It acts like a vent very close to the CPU. So 3 features that can keep your phone nice and cool as you kill zombies. And speaking of killing zombies, you know how hard it is to kill zombies when your fingers are moving off the phone the entire time. Now the improved air triggers is purely based on pressure. So you never have to keep your fingers off the phone, or you can slide across as well. And the improved peripherals include this controller. If you remember from the ROG 1, you can also get a controller with it, but it goes across your phone with a cable flat against the back. Now, this controller, you can use it as a standalone, or you can pop the sides right off of it and put it on the side of your phone for better control. That's why it's called a controller. You can connect up to 4 controllers, and this is ergonomically designed for more comfort during your gameplay. The ROG 2 comes preloaded with Asphalt 9, and this game is specifically designed for the twin view dock. Price point, it is very important to talk about price point. So the ROG 2 Elite, the standard model, is priced at 899 euros. And it comes with a memory of about half a terabyte. But here at IFA, they just announced the ROG 2 Ultimate. It comes with 1 terabyte of memory, and it's priced at 1199 euros. That's 1,199. So in the end, what do you guys think about the ROG 2? I remember when I saw the ROG 1, I was extremely impressed because it is the first phone dedicated to gamers. All the other companies are trying to do phones that can also enhance your gaming experience, but they're not dedicated to the gaming experience. So the ROG, I mean, it stands for Republic of Gamers, right? So it is dedicated for all you gamers out there. I honestly think it depends on what kind of gamer you are. If you are a purist, you're a console gamer, this is not the setup for you. But if you are a mobile gamer who wants 3 features, one is portability, versatility, and you also want multi-functionality, this is the setup for you. You can play it on your TV, you can play it as a portable device, you can play it with a full-blown controller. There are just so many different setups. It's so transformative, whether you're on the road, you're at work, hopefully not, or you're at home. There's so many different ways to use the ROG 2. So at the end of the day, here's the deeper question for you. What kind of gamer are you?